Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we'll be working on my tungsten tank layout again. A few things to mention beforehand. Let me just make sure that one's alright. Yep, that's alright. I did have to replace the water because the glue didn't quite work out. So yes, this is epoxy resin and it's looking quite alright. But that is not the focus of this video. We are adding lights to the layout. So yes, adding lights here, here, here. Well, basically everywhere, and also gluing down most of these buildings apart from the Thomas Cousins one, because I still need to do the windows. I may make them myself, but yes, I still need to sort that out, and I need to try and work out how to get the light underneath the station building. But yes, yeah, for the river, yeah, I just need to I replaced it with epoxy resin because for some reason the glue kept drying into the wood and disappearing. I filled it all the way up to the top, basically same level as you see here, and then it disappeared. So yes, I don't know where my river went. So I decided to fill it with epoxy resin, and it did kind of mess up a little bit here and a few bits over here. So I do need to do a bit of tidying. I'll add a bit of foliage just to hide places where I can. I'll probably put a line of bushes or something like that there. But yeah, it's a bit of annoying. But hey ho, at least the river looks alright, and it's not going to go anywhere. I was thinking about removing this dam, but I'll just leave it there. But yeah, anyway, on to the lighting. So I've got my drill. Got my drill there. Got some LED lights. I think there's only about 20 in here, but I won't need all that many. Let's see, I only need 2, 4, 6, 8. And I'll put 2 in there, so that's 10. I may try and do the factory at the back. However, I have to have a think about it. And I've got some more double cabled wire. So yes, that will help a lot. And I've also got my other things over there as well. Yeah, first things first is drill all the holes and drop in all the LEDs, and yeah, then glue all the buildings back down. I may carefully pry the building up. I'm not too sure. I have to have a think about it. And while waiting for things to dry, I'll try and tidy up the river a bit as well. So it's not too bad. I have done a little bit, so I said little bits here, and yeah. But yeah, I'll say it's not too bad. It is fixable, but yeah, it is just annoying. But yeah, first things first. Let's get all the lights in, and yeah, I'll stop waffling on. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I hope you enjoy the. It's not really a montage, but the time lapse. So yeah, hope you enjoy that, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are, all the work all done. I'm quite happy with how it has turned out. All the buildings are glued down, apart from this one, obviously. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. The one problem which I have got is that I do need to solve this problem. It's not that difficult to solve. All I need to do is put a resistor in the circuit, and that should sort out the problem. But yeah, quite happy with it. Yeah, looking very nice. I managed to carefully pull the station building up and then glue it back down afterwards. May need to touch up a little bit here and there, but otherwise it looks nice. For the factory, let's zoom in. Yeah, that's looking quite nice as well. Let me just bring you around just to have a look at how that was done. All the others, it's quite obvious as I drilled straight through, but for the factory, it is just poking out just like that. As there wasn't really any better way to do that. But yeah, still, it's not looking too bad. For the river, I found out how to get rid of the slight patchiness. It still needs a bit of fixing still, but yeah, I basically, for the clear PVA, I basically put a very thin layer over the top of it, and it's mostly solved it. Like I said, there's still a few bits here and there, but otherwise, yeah, that's still looking better. And hopefully I can try and get some texturing so it looks like it's flowing. Try to have a go at that, but yeah. First time for it, and just notice that the tree has fallen over. You can go back up, there we go. Yeah. And I have done a little bit of work on the retaining wall. Still need to slightly work on that, but it's getting there. I need to cover up that little bit there with some greenery, just so the light doesn't leak through. Yeah, very happy with it. And so the main problem is just getting the resistor in, adding a few other details, adding some weathering, and I think there's probably a few other things which I've forgotten. But yeah, we're getting to the point where, well, we can definitely run trains on it. I do want to try and get some trains running on it at some point. I think the track does need a bit of a clean. Actually, that doesn't feel too bad, actually. Still, I'll get the track cleaner running around on it. And yeah, we'll try and get some trains running on this. Hopefully by Christmas, as I do want to make a Christmas video. Well, at least feature this in the Christmas video. Yeah, quite happy with it. Anyway, that's going to be it from me. I think next video I am adding more details, as I can add an extra fence here, probably the fence which goes around here, finally finish off the retaining wall, because it does need a sorting out at the top here. I do have an idea for that. Finally finish off this building because it's annoying me, and probably do a bit of weathering if I don't do that in the video afterwards. But yeah, it's getting there, quite slowly but surely. But yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Oh wait, one other thing, need to add these bridges here, one here, add some reeds and stuff around here. Lots of things which I still need to do, but yes. Anyway, like I said, that's going to be it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you all again next time. So if you like the video, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, well, I hope you enjoyed the day anyway. And yeah, that's going to be it for me. So take care now. Bye bye.